This is Hotwire, ladies and gentlemen. Hotwire. Today is Wednesday. It's 7 o'clock. Well, really Sunday afternoon, because I had to work. I wasn't here. My wife told me this is pixelates and pixelates and pixelates and pixelates. We're in an environment, we're in a complex where we can't choose,
Exactly. But the President of the United States wasn't even in the number 2 position. I think
that's the first time since we've been doing the list that he actually falls, that any U.S. president falls down to the top 2 spots. Again, I think that has a lot to do with the fact that this is going to be his last year in office. He's a little bit more hamstrung both domestically and internationally, and the power at this time.
Hotwire, ladies and gentlemen. Hotwire. This is the SD channel. Pixelating like crazy. You can still see a little pixelation there. There it is. If I turn it to HD, it's a wrap. Let me show you a little HD here. Let me show you HD. 11/5/2015. Check this out. That's HD. See the HD there? That's HD.
Teaming up for the 8th year, singing about everything from Donald Trump and Trump's.
Yeah, I had just turned it off, but I said let me record it before I. It's the HD channel. It's been going on since Sunday. To be honest with you, it's kind of decent today. It's a little decent. No, I mean it's decent from what they've been giving us. At least this morning, you can make out the form of the faces.
Without contracts. It's really easy to switch. You can even keep your number.
And AARP members get special discounts. It's all about the fantastic customer service.
And a great choice of phones. Maybe people do love consumer cellular as much as I do.
Told you. Call, go online, or visit a Target or Sears store today. You forgot the milk. That's latte. Milk.
They want us to pay for this, man.
Oh, no.
It's in your bill. It's in your bill for this.
No discomfort.
Going on 2 years. This is all we've been getting. But we're living in a community right now where we can't do anything about it. You either take it, because this is what you're going to get. Now, they didn't tell us this is what we'll get when we signed up for it. Oh, the bells and whistles. But this is what we get. It's a little over 2.5 minutes. I think you get the picture. But until it gets straight out, I'm going to post every day until it gets straight. Okay, before I end this video, this is November 11th, 2015 today. You see my clock there, it says 7:32, but it's actually 7:22 because I keep my clock 10 minutes fast. That's the time I go. And you see there at the side, internet services dial-up speed. Trust me, it is 5 megabytes, 5 megabits for $44 a month. And we're lucky. I'm lucky if I get 1.2 megabits of service a month of internet access. So Hotwire, if they're in your area, do not. And if you're moving in a complex where they only have, you can only get Hotwire, where they tricked us, do not go there. Peace and blessings. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I just want to give you a little insight into what we have to go through dealing with Hotwire. We've been with them almost 2 years now, and this is a bill that they give me that I must pay for. This is a bill that they give me, and of course, if I get a service, that is what I want to do. I want to pay for my service, and trust me, I can afford to pay for this service. But you've seen this is a little small clip that I'm giving you of what and this is the disconnection notice. This is the third one, I think the third one that they've given me because they demand that I pay for this service that they're giving me.